How to turn on Instagram dark mode, new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on Instagram dark mode, new update. In order to turn on or enable dark mode theme on Instagram, log in into your account first of all. After that, go to your profile, and once you've done that, click on the three dot icon, go to settings. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find privacy. Once you're on the profile page, tap on the three dot icon right on top, go to settings and privacy. After that, it's going to take you to the settings and privacy page. So on this page, right on top, you can see there's a search bar, type in dark mode. After that, you can see there are different options such as turn it off or turn off, system default, and whatever. So in order to turn it on, click on the on button, and after that, make sure to mark on the terms and condition. After that, you've turned on Instagram dark mode on your device. So in this way, you can turn on or enable Instagram dark mode on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.